Are you looking to secure a small business loan and take your business to new heights? First and foremost, ensuring your books in order is key. The reason that you need to show your accounting records to prove that you are capable of making loan payments. Now, you might consider handling bookkeeping yourself to save costs, but remember, time is precious in the business world. If you run a very small business, you might be able to manage your bookkeeping with accounting softwares, saving yourself time and money by using free options. However, managing your bookkeeping means you're in charge of keeping your finances in order, storing records and creating necessary statements. Instead, why not explore professional bookkeeping services? While some traditional options like having a house accountant may be costly, there are reputable and affordable online accounting services available. One such option is K9 Bookkeeping, offering top-notch services at a budget-friendly rate. With well-managed finances, your loan application will stand out and you'll gain a deeper understanding of your business's financial health. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll provide expert financial insights to make your loans application so much smoother.